Kitchen islands are incredibly functional features in a kitchen. You can use them as an extra prepping area, additional countertop space, and sometimes even a breakfast area. Here are a few IKEA kitchen island ideas and hacks. Enjoy! 1. This IKEA bookshelf hack may be your thing. You will need a couple of IKEA Flysta shelving units, metal legs like these, and paint. For added storage solutions, install a pot lid on one end of the kitchen island. 2. A curved kitchen island can be an appealing addition to your kitchen space. Since you don't have straight edges, this kitchen island design is perfect if you have young kids at home. 3. The creators of this island used two IKEA Finvard to hold the kitchen worktop and shelving. The result is a functional workstation where you can store your favorite beverages and other kitchen utensils. 4. A cozy looking yet straightforward kitchen island makes for a fun DIY project, much like this hack that used the IKEA Knoxholt for the island base. Creatively designed flat boards made up the front and side panels. A quartz countertop completed the minimalistic feel of this kitchen island. 5. This mobile kitchen island hack is the perfect solution for a small kitchen for an extra prep and storage area. You'll need the IKEA Forhoja rack, 1-inch caster wheels, cup drawer poles, scrap plywood 1x6, 1/4 inch wood, miter saw, paint, drill, a nail gun, and wood glue. 6. This metal rack IKEA hack is relatively simple to do. You'll need the IKEA Valholma kitchen island in black and oak. Cut the extended hanging rack and have the solid textured wood stay as it is, or have it covered with a metal sheet to create an all-steel finish. Install 4 small caster wheels for easy mobility. 7. Corner or L-shaped kitchen counters can act as a bar counter or nook in a cozy kitchen space. This hack used a combination of 2 IKEA Kallax to create an L-shaped kitchen counter that can double as a breakfast bar. 8. This beautiful white kitchen island table with wooden countertop is easy to assemble using IKEA Malm dressers. Simply join 2 or 3 Malm dressers together to create a large surface. Don't forget to remove the dresser drawers. 9. This hack follows the same process as the previous one using the Malm dresser. Perhaps the difference is instead of using white, the designer of this kitchen island hack used this coastal blue shade for the paint finish. 10. This IKEA hack is excellent for serving hot beverages to family and guests. You just need to select an IKEA kitchen trolley with integrated wheels like the Forhoja, Beckvam, Senstorp, or Sunnersta. After making your choice, paint or wood stain with your desired color of choice. 11. Why spend countless hours looking for a timeless piece of furniture when you can create one? Thanks to IKEA Valholma, you can create an inexpensive yet antique looking kitchen island. You will need 2 additional drawers installed underneath the countertop. 12. For under $80, this IKEA hack will give you a mobile kitchen island with 4 compartments and a solid wood countertop. To recreate this, you will need 3 IKEA components: a Kallax shelving unit, 2 Kallax shelf inserts, and 2 Lampig chopping boards. You will also need 4 caster wheels and wood treatment oil. 13. This hack used the IKEA Hemnes dresser, making the assembly quicker because of the already built-in drawers. You'll only need a few adjustments, such as placing the stainless steel countertop and painting the dresser with your desired color. 14. If you have a farmhouse-style kitchen with slightly limited space, try recreating this farmhouse-inspired kitchen island with wheels. The mobility is great for moving the island to the side to create more space if needed. 15. Not all kitchens are the same, but all kitchens need ample storage. Here's another bookshelf turned kitchen island storage solution. This beautiful island design used 3 IKEA Billy bookcases for the base and an IKEA butcher block for the countertop.